Hey everyone, it's Felicia from Libby & Co. and this is the March Mystery Kit. It just shipped out the other day, so I wanted to do an unboxing so everybody can see. I know I haven't done an unboxing in the last 2 months. Things were kind of crazy, but I'm going to again try to do it every month so y'all can see what the mystery kit looks like if you choose to. Unless you want to wait and be surprised, you could do that as well. Okay, so, and then the pen, okay. So this month's mystery kit had a coffee theme. So, first thing is the pen. It's the gold, rose gold diamond pen. And then this is the clip. Creative Bee Shop on Etsy did the clip this time, and it's the Rae Dunn type of coffee mug, and I picked Hot Mess as my saying because I am a hot mess. So that is the clip. And then I loved these. I had these made as well. I love note cards, whether it's to the teacher, to friends, to my cousins, just a little hello, and then you can write whatever you want. Again, with the Rae Dunn font. You get 5 of them with envelopes, so you can just message somebody hello if you haven't talked to them for a while, or whatever you want to say in it. And then here is the kit. So, of course, it's 13 pages. This is this month's giveaway. These are the new small appointment box. This is in the summer palette. I figure everybody could try them out and see if you like them. And then we have a die cut with the March calendar. And then here is the kit. This is honestly, I mean, I say it all the time that I love them, but this one is definitely one of my favorites because I am a coffee addict and I love these colors. So they go hand in hand. All right, so we have flags, little flags, teardrop flags, your to-do, to call, to go, arrows, habit trackers, your small little round icons, and your Libby girls. And then you have 2 sets of date covers, a flight info if you fly anywhere this month and the dates. And then these are the sidebars. Now this one is for the EC Vertical. These also come in the horizontal and the Happy Planner, but this one specifically for the EC Vertical. These are your full box checklists and little rectangles, and then some banners. And then you have 4 weekends, and then your little icon strips, flag appointment, little squares, and then this small flag. And then you have your 3 heart checklist, hydrates, small appointments, and work. Long heart checklist, small heart checklist, bill dues, and then a bunch of different appointment or little quarter boxes and smaller. These are, yeah, quarter, and then these are the skinnier square boxes. And then you have your bottom washi, scalloped appointment boxes, small or skinny appointment or skinny boxes and quarter boxes. And then you have your icons, all different ones. And then you have your headers and blank headers. And then, oh my gosh, I love these full boxes. And your glitter and your half boxes. And your washi strips and half boxes. And then here is your deco sheet. So this is the 13-page kit. You got a die cut and a sampler. You got your note cards, a pen, and your clip. The next box is now currently on sale. Stay tuned on my Instagram account, Libby & Co., because I am going to give one of these away. I think I'm going to try to get it up tonight, if not tomorrow. So I will be giving one of these away, and hopefully one of you win it and love it. Hopefully I'll talk to you soon.